Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to fix a monitor with yellow thin screen problem in Windows 11. How to do this? Let's start. Click on Windows 11 icon and now click on Settings. On the left of the screen you will find System option. Now click on Display option. Scroll down the page. Bottom of the page you will find Advanced Display. On this page you will find Display Adapter Properties. Now click on Color Management tab. Now click on Color Management button. Tick here Use my settings for this device and click on Add button and scroll down this window until you will find here sRGB color space profile. Select here and press OK button. Click OK button and click Close button and press OK button. Now minimize this window. Now your PC will be restarted for applying this setting. Hope so this video will be helpful for you. See you another video. Goodbye.